If you've lost an unsaved Premiere Pro project, don't panic just yet. In this video, I'll show you the best ways to recover it in 2025, starting with the most important method first, the Autosave folder. I'll also show you a few backup recovery options, including recent projects, system search, Creative Cloud, and temporary files, so you can give yourself the highest chance of getting your work back. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and editing tips. All right, let's jump in. First, we're going to check Autosave because this is usually the main recovery method in Premiere Pro. Open File Explorer on Windows, then go to Documents, Adobe, Premiere Pro, and then your version folder. Inside that folder, look for Autosave. This folder stores Premiere's automatic backups, and it can save you when a project is closed unexpectedly or never saved properly. Once you open the Autosave folder, look for the most recent .prproj file. You can sort by date modified if needed, so the newest recovery file is at the top. When you find the latest Autosave, open it right away. If it contains your missing work, do not keep working in that same recovery file under the original name. Instead, go straight to File, then Save As, and give it a new name. That way, you protect the recovered version and avoid overwriting anything important. This is one of the safest habits you can follow when restoring a Premiere project. If Autosave doesn't solve it, the next thing to try is Open Recent. Launch Premiere Pro and go to the home screen. Then check Open Recent. Sometimes the last autosave or a recently opened project still appears there, even if the main file was not saved the way you expected. If you see your project listed, open it and immediately save a fresh copy with a new name. If that still doesn't help, use Windows Search to look for project files across your computer. In File Explorer, search for *.prproj. That will show you every Premiere Pro project file on the system. After the search results load, sort them by date modified so you can find the most recent one first. Open the latest file and check whether it contains your timeline, edits, or imported media. In many cases, an autosave or backup copy is sitting somewhere on the drive, even if you forgot where it was stored. Now let's check Creative Cloud, but only if sync was enabled on your account. Open Adobe Creative Cloud and look for synced files or cloud documents. If your project was being backed up through Adobe's cloud features, there may be a recoverable version available there. This step won't apply to every user, but it is absolutely worth checking if you regularly use Creative Cloud services or cloud syncing in Adobe apps. If you still haven't found anything, there is one last place you can inspect: temporary files and cache folders. On Windows, go to c:\users/yourname/appdata/appdata/roaming/adobe/common. Inside that area, look for temporary project files or cache-related folders. These files are not always usable as full project recoveries, but sometimes they can help you retrieve partial data or identify a recent copy. Think of this as a last chance recovery step rather than a guaranteed fix. Also, if Premiere Pro crashed before the project was closed, reopen the app and pay attention to any recovery prompt. Premiere may ask, "Recover project?" If you see that message, choose to recover it. That built-in recovery feature can sometimes restore the last session automatically, especially after a crash or forced shutdown. Now, a few important notes so you know what to expect. If Autosave was turned off, your recovery chances are much lower. Premiere typically saves autosaves every 10 to 15 minutes by default, so any work done between those save points may be lost. That means the sooner you check these folders after the crash or loss, the better your chances. And if the project was never saved at all, only partial recovery may be possible. So to quickly recap, check Autosave first, then Open Recent, then search your computer for .prproj files, then check Creative Cloud, and finally inspect temporary files if needed. Those steps give you the best chance of recovering an unsaved Premiere Pro project in 2025. If this video helped you recover your project or saved you some time, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more editing recovery tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.